In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage teams in Airtable using Claude AI. Begin by opening Claude AI and starting a new chat. Once the chat is open, paste in a prompt that asks Claude to create a team management system directly in Airtable using the integration. The prompt should request tables for team members, tasks, and roles. It should also ask for fields that cover names, roles, assignments, status, priorities, dates, and workload tracking. In addition, it should request linked records, a task assignment workflow, and a setup that is fully ready to use. After sending that prompt, give Claude a moment to generate and build the structure in Airtable. When that is complete, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created base that contains the team management system. Open it and begin reviewing each part to make sure everything has been created correctly. Start with the team members table. Check that the fields you need are present. This should include information for member names, linked roles, assigned tasks, workload details, and any other relevant tracking fields that were requested. Make sure the layout is clear and usable for your team. Next, move to the tasks table. Review the fields there carefully. Confirm that task names, assignments, status options, priorities, and dates have been created. Make sure tasks can be linked to the correct team members and that the task workflow supports day-to-day team coordination. Then open the roles table. Verify that role definitions are in place and that the table properly supports the rest of the base. This table should help define responsibilities and connect team members to the correct roles in a structured way. Once you have checked the individual tables, verify the links between them. Team members, tasks, and roles should all connect properly through linked records. This is important because it allows you to assign tasks accurately, track responsibilities, and monitor workload across the team without duplicating information. After everything has been reviewed, you can begin using the base. Add your team members, define their roles, create tasks, and assign work as needed. As tasks progress, update statuses, priorities, and dates so the system stays current. This will give you a clear and organized way to manage your team directly inside Airtable. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.